What's up, you guys? My name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling two problems with my Mercury Grand Marquis. The first one is that the AC stopped blowing cold air. And it's hot as hell outside, bruh. I'm sweating bullets right now. And I got the windows up. But that's because I care about you guys having high quality audio while I'm suffocating in here. The video is more important to me. Alright, so I have a new AC compressor installed, the system is refilled, and the clutch spins, but I'm not getting no cold air. Sometimes all you need to do is reset the climate control unit, so we finna be doing that soon. The second problem that I'm having is that I'm not getting any air from the center vents, bruh. It's so hot. I'm only getting air from the defrost. When that happens, normally it's worn out O-rings inside of the climate control unit, so we'll replace those as well. Whew, my camera says that the temperature is hot. It's overheating. I'm overheating as well. But you know what they say? You ain't no real man unless you have a heat stroke while working. I'm about to have my second one. That's right. You got some soft hands, brother.
Insert the key to the ignition and turn it to the accessory mode engine off. If your climate control is still on, go ahead and turn it off. Now press the floor plus off button at the same time, followed by the auto button. That starts the self-test. You hear some clicking. It's a little annoying, but it's normal. Just give it a few seconds. It does take a while. The system will flash some codes on the screen. Look for 24 or 25. Those are common for a bad blend door actuator. To clear the codes and finish the test, hit the defrost button. Now start the car, turn the AC on, and wait. Within a minute or two, it should start blowing cold air. If it still doesn't work, try running the test again. But after the second attempt, with no luck, you gotta replace that blend door actuator. Now let's fix the issue with the air not blowing through the center vents. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to pry off the center dash bezel. Unplug any wiring connections. Remove the four 7mm bolts. Remove the two 10mm nuts. Disconnect the two wiring harness behind the climate control unit. Remove two T20 screws. Unplug the connector. Then remove 10 Phillips screws holding the unit together. Pop off the tabs and separate the metal housing. Now here's the issue. These rubber O-ring seals get brittle and crack over time. That causes the airflow to go only to the defrost. Replace them with the correct size silicone O-rings. I'll have a link in the video description where you could get them at. Don't cheap out on them. Generic ones might work temporarily, but they will fail fast. Trust me, that's what I did, and now I'm here replacing them again. Make sure that the spacer is properly aligned. It only sits right one way, so rotate it until it clicks into place. Repeat the process for each port. Put everything back in reverse order. Be careful not to pinch or puncture any wires when reassembling.
Moment of truth. Let's turn that AC on. Max AC, hit the vents button. Hell yeah! The vents are working again. We got air going through it. The only thing that sucks is that it's warm, hot air. I want some cold air, bruh. It's one thing after another. Well, at least they're working again. Looks like I have to replace the blend door actuator, so stay tuned for that video. If y'all found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Like.